Hello students. So in our last class we have discussed about the 3.2 exercise of chapter playing with numbers. So today we are going to our next concept of this chapter playing with number, third chapter, tests for divisibility of numbers. That means what? These concepts of numbers will help us to make a divisibility faster, make divisibility very faster, and by seeing that number only we can decide that by which number this whole big number large number can be divisible by easily. Okay, so instead of we are checking one, taking one number and divide it, and taking, if not possible, go for another one. So without wasting our time, if we know some test, divisibility test, or you can can call it as a rules of divisibility, that's very easy to deal with big numbers and large numbers also. So actually playing with numbers up there, this concept is this one. It is very beautiful concept, and it is very important for your life also. I'm not talking about only for your syllabus, I'm talking about your day to day life also. Because if you have money with you, lots of money with you, more number of money, when you want to divide it by number of persons or by the number of items which you have purchased, then when you divide that whole money with the purchased items, that will be easy to uh, deal with shopkeepers, right? So this rules of divisibility makes you faster in divisibility. Okay, how to divide, I know, I hope you people are learned in 5th standard by small numbers, right? So by using some rules today, we will know how to deal with large numbers. Okay, so first one we'll go for first one now. Divisibility by 2. That means you have a number, if you have a number, I'll take one example here. One number 63 you people take, another number will take, we can take it as 204. Okay, two numbers I have already took here. Now I have to check this 63 is divisible by 2 or not, and 204 is divisible by 2 or not. By seeing only I have to tell, without doing calculation. By seeing this number only I have to tell. How to tell that one? How to decide that this number is divisible by 2 and this number will not divisible by 2? So rule is there, if there are any of even numbers, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are called even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, at the end of the digit, then it is divisible by 2. So what they are telling, that the end of the digit, last digit, right, unit number, if this number is even number, if this number is even number, then the whole number is divisible by 2. The rules is like that, right? See here, in the first 63 number, unit number is not a even number, right? This last digit is a not a even number, that's why it is not divisible by 2. So not divisible by 2. Why? Because the last digit of that number is not even. Okay, so if you check here, the last digit is even, 4 is a even number, so the whole 204 is also complete 204 is divisible by 2, students, right? By seeing only we can decide this is divisible by 2 or not. So for that we have to simply check the last digit of a number given, if it may be large number also, 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 2, 8. So if it is this much of big number also, you can decide by seeing the last number only, this number is divisible by or not. How? You have to check only the last digit of this number is even or not, right? Here this is even, that's why this whole number is divisible by 2. This whole number is divisible by 2 because we know the rules that how to check the divisibility of 2. That means if this number is divisible by 2 or not, how you will check? You just check the last digit of the given number is even or not. Okay, if it is even, the whole number is divisible by 2. If it is odd, it is not divisible by 2. If we want to take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is the number. By seeing only we have to tell now this number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, if you want to divide it by 2, it is very lengthy also and little bit will face the difficulty also, right? But by observing this number, we can tell that this is divisible by 2 or not. Because how? You have to check just the last digit of the number. The last digit of the number is 9. So 9 is a not even number, right? If it is even number, it is divisible by 2. So here the 9 is not even number, so it is not divisible by 2, right? So I hope you people are understood how to do that one. You need to just check. If you go for another some examples, if I take here 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I need to check this number is divisible by 2 or not. How you will check? We need to just check the you leave the remaining numbers, you just check the last digit of the number. Is this even or not? Yes, it is an even number, then it is divisible by 2, right? If you take another number 2, 8, 6, 0. So is this number is divisible by 2? Yes, because the last number is 0. 0 is also even number, that's why it is divisible by 2. If you take another number 75. Okay, 75 is divisible by 2 or not? We need to check it. So how you need to check it? You just see 75. In 75 number, the last digit is 5. The last digit is even or not? Here 5 is not a even number. 5 is a odd number. That's why it will not divisible by 2. That's why 75 is not divisible by 2, because the last digit of the 75 is odd number, right? That's why it is not divisible by 2. If you want to check another 729 is divisible by 2 or not, it is not divisible by 2 because the last digit of 729 is 9. 9 is odd number here, right? If it is even number, it is divisible by 2. If it is last digit of that number is odd number, it will not divisible by 2. So I hope you people are understood first rule of the divisibility, that is divisibility by 2. Okay, any number if you want to check it is divisible by 2 or not, you just need to check the last digit of the given number is even or not. Okay, if it is even, it is divisible completely, the whole number is divisible by 2. If it is odd, it is not divisible by 2, right? So I hope you people are understood the first rule of divisibility of test, that is divisibility by 2. We'll move for second test, that means divisibility by 3. If you want to check any number is given number is divisible by 3 or not, so by seeing only you need to check it is the number is divisible by or by 3 or not. So I will take the same number. First I took 63, another one I took here 204. I will take two same numbers here again and I will check. How to check then the 63 is divisible by 3 or not? So what rules will tell? We'll read that first, after we'll go for example. A given number will only be divisible by 3 if the total of all that number is the multiple of 3. It is very simple, students. If you want to check the number is divisible by 3 or not, you just 63 is they have given, this is the number they have given, you just add to that number 6 plus 3 is 9. You have to check this 9 is a multiple of 3 or not. Yes, this 9 will come in 3 table, right? This 9 will come in 3 table. 3 3 is a 9. That's why 63 is divisible by 3. That's why 63 is divisible by 3, right? Now we'll go for 204. Now we will check 204 is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? You just need to add the given digits and check the answer. 2 plus 0 0, right? Sorry, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, and whatever the resultant of that sum is multiple of 3 or not, you have to check. That multiple of 3 is nothing but you have to check the resultant answer will come in 3 table or not. Okay, here 6 will come in 3 table. That's why 204 is also divisible by 3, because the sum of all that digits is 6 and 6 is a multiple of 3. Okay, so if you want in Kannada, I will explain in Kannada also. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2456 ಇದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 2456 ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬೈ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 2ಲಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತು ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ದು ಇದು ಇವನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಇವನ್ ಅದ, ಸೊ ಇದು 2ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಈಗ 3ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಅದೇನು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 2 + 4 6, 6 + 5 11, 11 + 6 17. ಈ 17 ಇದೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 3ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ? 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ 17 ಇಲ್ಲ, 18 ಅದ. ಸೊ 17 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನು 2456 ಕೂಡ ಇದು 3ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಮ್ಮದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅದು ನಂಬರಿನ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ 17 ಅದ. 17 ಅದು 3ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ 3ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಈ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು 3ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು 3ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. If I want to check 5678 is divisible by 3 or not. Now I need to check 5678 is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, how to check? What is the rules? We need to add the digits now, given digits 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. What is the answer? We need to check. 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. We'll check again. 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. Right? So now check. The resultant of the sum of digits is 26. Now we need to check this 26 is the multiple of 3 or not. That means what? This 26 will come in 3 or not? No, right? So 26 is not there in 3. That's why. So here the resultant of sum of digits is 26, and it is not a multiple of 3. That is 5678 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. So this number 5678 will not divisible by 3. Why? Because the sum of the digit of a given number is 26. 26 is not a multiple of 3. Okay, that's why it is not a divisible of 3. See, we'll take another example. 2, 4, 5, 6. Again we will check this number is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? Just add the digits of a given number. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17. The resultant answer, the sum of the given digits answer is 17. 17 is not multiple of 3. That's why the whole number is not divisible by 3. That's why the whole number is not divisible by 3. We'll take another number. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we will check this number is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? You just need to add the digits, given digit. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. Right? 18 is a multiple of 3. That's why this number is divisible by 3. 18 is a divisible multiple of 3. That's why the whole number 3456 is divisible by 3. So I hope you people are understood how to check the divisibility of 3. It is very simple. Whichever they are given number, you just add the digits of that number and check the resultant is a multiple of 3 or not. If the resultant is multiple of 3, then the given whole number is divisible by 3. If the resultant is not a multiple of 3, then the whole number is not a divisible by 3. So I hope you people are understood divisibility by 3 or not. See students, if you not understood, okay, you have to see again and again video, and you have to observe and you have to hear my explanation clearly. Okay, when you hear my explanation clearly, okay, then you will understand what we have to do there. Okay, if you not understand my explanation only, then you can't do anything. Okay, the method is important and my explanation is very important students. You have to hear my explanation very concentratedly, then only you can understand. If I am in front of you, I can give number of examples, more number of examples, then you people are understood. If I am not in front of you people, then you people will not concentrate on my explanation, right? If you concentrate on my explanation, then you will understand the whole problems, right? So now divisibility by 4. So how to check the divisibility by 4? So we have to check whether the last 2 digits of the given number are divisible by 4 or not. If it is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Then how this number will work? This rules will work, right? It is very simple students. If it is 224 is a number is there, and you need to check this number is divisible by 4 or not. It is very simple. What rules is telling, you have to check the last 2 digit of this number. What is that last 2 digit of this number is 24. Now you check 24 is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 4, because 4 6 are 24. Then 224 is also divisible by 4. Because the last 2 digit of the given number is divisible by 4. That's why the whole number is also divisible by 4. Right? If you want, we'll take another example also. 316. Check the number is divisible by 4 or not. How to check? you just need to check the last two digit. 16 is there, last two digit is 16 and it is divisible by 4. Yes, right? 4 4s are 16. That's why 316 is divisible by 4, because the last digits, two digits of a number is divisible by 4. That's why the whole number is also divisible by 4. If you want, we will take another number, 415. Now check what is the last two digits. 15. 15 is not divisible by 4 here. 15 is not divisible by 4. That's why the whole number 415 is not divisible by 4. Right? You just need to check for divisibility of 4. You just need to check the last two digits of a number. If I want to write here big number, 4 6 2 8 7 4 2 4. See, this much big number is there. Just I need to check this number, the whole number is divisible by 4 or not. Then how you will check? You will divide this number by 4 and you will check it is divisible by 4 or not. It will go long process, right? So instead of going that process, usual method, you just check the last two digit of this number. Last two digit of number is 24 and it is divisible by 4. That's why the whole number, what, 4 6 2 8 7 4 2 4 is divisible by 4. How I checked it? I just checked. Instead of checking all the digits, I just took the last two digits separately and checked it. It is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, the last two digits of this number is divisible by 4. That's why the whole number is divisible by 4. See students, how fast it will make us to divide, right? If you remember this rules, if you remember the tests of divisibility well, then you people will become a rocket persons in the maths, because the divisibility in mathematics is very important students, very very important. This is how we need to check. And in mathematics, how much practice you will do, that much it is good. Okay, if you practice less, then you can't able to remember it in longer days. Then, because the practice makes man perfect, how much you people will practice, that much important. Okay, so divisibility 5, fourth one, divisibility by 4, 5. Any given number will be divisible by 5 if the last digit of the number is 0 or 5. It is very simple. If it is last digit is 5, then it is divisible by 5. If last digit is 0, then also it is divisible by 5. And then we'll take two examples here. We'll take 46 and we need to check it is divisible by 5 or not. No, it is not divisible by 5 because the last number is 6 is there, right? If it is 5 or 0, then only that number is divisible by 5. That's why it is not divisible by 5. If we take here 325 and we need to check it is divisible by 5 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 5 because the last number, the last digit of that number is 5. If you want to check 1240 is divisible by 5 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 5 because the last digit of the number is 0. So, to check any given number is divisible by 5 or not, you just need to check the last digit of a number is 5 or 0. If that given number last digit is 5 or 0, then the whole number is divisible by 5. If it is any instead of 5 or 0, if any instead different number is there, okay, then that number is not divisible by 5. So I hope you people are understood the divisibility of 2, the divisibility of 3, the divisibility of 4 and the divisibility of 5. So in next class we'll continue the next divisibility test 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you students. Take care. Bye bye.